Zephaniah 3. To the Lord. The just Lord is in the midst thereof. He will not do iniquity. Every morning doth he bring his judgment to light. He faileth not. But the unjust knoweth no shame. I have cut off the nations that...
Scores of Pakistanis rushing to the hospital Saturday morning after an explosion at a railway station in the country's southwest region.
Around 20 people have been killed in this tragic incident and about 30 are injured, of which 10 are in critical condition.
This footage depicting the exact moment that a bomb went off on the platform of the station, which was chock full of people gearing up for their morning commute. Those who survived describing the scene as something out of a horror film.
People were running in chaos. Some were injured, some with blown up legs, some with blown up arms and hands. People were just running.
A probe into the explosion was launched immediately, with officials already making headway.
Security agencies ne
Psalm 68. He that is our God is the God of salvation, and unto God the Lord belong the issues from death. First Samuel chapter 2. The Lord killeth, and maketh alive. He bringeth down to the grave and bringeth up. The Lord maketh...
According to the report provided to the provincial government by security agencies, initial evidences suggest that this was possibly a suicide attack. However, the final report is awaited.
Shortly after making the suggestion that the attack was a suicide mission, officials did receive notice that a Pakistani separatist group called the Baloch Liberation Army had claimed responsibility for the attack. The outlawed group wants independence for Balochistan, a province of about 15 million people that borders Afghanistan to the north and Iran to the west. Balochistan's Inspector General of Police says Saturday's attack was targeting army personnel. Pakistani officials confirming that railway staff and soldiers are among the dead. For City News, I'm Carling Donahue.
Isaiah 45. Secret. That I form the light and create darkness, I make peace and create evil. I, the Lord, do all these things. Drop down, ye heavens, from above.